adventures and get inspired by the beauty, the raw beauty of nature in the place where you are. Unfabricated, unmanipulated beauty. I think we can observe that in nature so much. And we can also observe it in people, but somehow, very often, just the nuance of the human experience, the way we live our lives. We often think that we need to manipulate something in us to belong on this planet Earth instead of just blooming as flowers bloom and unfolding and changing, and the way cliffs are changing or mountains are growing or the tides of the sea or ocean are constantly changing. So may it inspire you to live with that very solid axis within you and freedom to be the rawest and the most true version of who you are in every area of your life. And cut those invisible chains that we all put around us. Not really sure why. And then the life's mission is to cut them and liberate ourselves from them. So I wish you that to have that inner freedom within, and with that comes any other freedom, including financial. I genuinely believe so.